How to rebuild trust after cheating in a marriage or relationship. There is a kind of pain that words struggle to explain. The moment you discover the person you trust with your heart betray you, suddenly the memories feel different. The love feels uncertain, and the question that keeps repeating in your mind is, was any of it real? If you are going through this in your marriage or relationship right now, I want you to know something first. Your pain is real, your confusion is normal, and you are not alone. Today, we are going to talk about honesty about whether trust can truly be rebuilt after cheating and how healing can begin. For the purpose of those watching me on social media, this is Heal and Rise with Adlin. A place where we talk about emotional healing, growth in our relationship, honesty and compassion around our mental health. If you like what you are listening in this video just now, do well to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, give the video a like, and ensure that you make a comment in the comment section, as your experiences or comments might benefit some persons. At least it will make them feel that they are not alone. Now, let's talk about one of the most painful challenges a marriage or relationship can face. Why cheating breaks trust so deeply in a marriage is because it breaks trust. And it is invisible foundation that allows two people to feel safe with each other. It allows you to be vulnerable, to believe in promises, to build a future together. But when cheating happens, that foundation cracks. The boat begins to sink, so to speak. The betrayal doesn't only hurt because of the act itself. It hurts because suddenly everything feels uncertain. You may start questioning past memories. You may start thinking about things that have happened. You want to give opportunities, excuses to state that, could it be? Could that be? You may replay conversations in your mind. You might wonder if you were ever truly loved by this man or by this woman. And many people who experience betrayal begin asking themselves painful questions like, was I not enough? Did I miss the sign? Can I ever trust again? At the same time, the partner who cheated may be dealing with the same guilt, shame, fear of losing the relationship completely. It's a struggle. Both people are hurting, but in very different ways. And that emotional distance can make the relationship feel fragile, shaky, and sinky. But there is this truth about relationship that I want to tell you today, and it's the truth. There is a possibility for rebuilding trust. Hard to believe, right? Rebuilding trust after cheating is possible, but it's not easy. The partner who broke the trust must be willing to take full responsibility, and that means honesty, and that means transparency. And patience with the healing process is one thing that is a virtue. There will be difficult conversations, moments of doubts, and times when the pain resurfaces again. Healing isn't a straight line, but when someone truly shows change through their action, trust can slowly begin to grow again. If both partners genuinely want to repair the relationship, a few things become essential for them. Number one that I know is having honest conversation. During this period of conversation, you are talking about what might have contributed, the role you must have played, mistakes you had made that must have given, rise to that. So trying to avoid the topic may feel easier, but healing requires facing the truth together. Number two is accountability. The partner who cheated must show through consistent behavior that the relationship is now a priority. This is hard work. This is intentional actions of kindness. So trust grows when action match words. The next one I'm going to talk about is emotional healing for both people. Because one of the things that is important for these two people is how they heal emotionally. The partner who cheated must be patient, allowing time, understanding that time must come to play for the victim partner to think about it over and over again and change their mind and maybe forgive. So the partner who cheated must understand the pain, the cost, and show empathy and not defensiveness. Sometimes couple counseling might help. Going for relationship therapists for advice, for help, it's okay. Rebuilding trust isn't just about fixing the past, it's about creating a healthier relationship moving forward. If you're going through betrayal in your marriage or relationship, here it is. Your feelings are valid. Some relationships do rebuild trust and grow stronger with time. Others reveal that it's healthier to walk away. Both parts require courage, but what matters most is protecting your emotional well-being and allowing yourself the time to heal. If this message I spoke today resonates with you, share your comment in the comment section. Tell your story, because your story is going to help me. It's going to help others rebuild and come back to themselves again. It's going to help them know that they are not alone. I've been a mother for 23 years and I've been a wife for 24 years. And also as an academic and as a positive psychologist, I am an expert to let you know that happiness is possible even in difficult time. Until I come back, bye-bye.